Hello everyone, today I am going to present my small project which is a login and sign up page inspired by anime theme. The whole interface is designed to give a modern and aesthetic look. As you have seen in demo, now let's see how it actually works. So after coming to my page, you can see a login form appeared. Now first, if you have not created your account yet, then you have to sign up first. In front of you, I am signing up. First you have to enter your name, surname, and then you have to create your username, and you have to create a password also. After filling all the details, when you are signing up, see, you have created your account. Now you have to log in. After logging in, you will be see that I am logging in. I have to verify it first. See, a login successful message appeared in front of you, and after clicking on it, a home page appeared, and in the corner you can see logout option is also there. If you want to log out from this page, you can click here. See, you have successfully logged out, and again if you next time you will come to this page, you can again log in from here, and same you have to fill the details previously you have filled and you have stored in your local storage. Then you can directly click here, it will show you the suggestions. Now let's see behind the scene what I have done. I have implemented a simple auth system in JavaScript. I created two classes, which is user and auth system. The user class just stores the username and password, while the auth system class handles all the logic like sign up, validation, checking if a username already exists or not. Whenever a new user signs up, their data is saved into the local storage. Through this project, I learned how authentication logic work on a basic level, how data is stored, and how users can be managed in JavaScript and using local storage. I also learned to separate the project into HTML, CSS and JS files for better structure and reusability. So this way my anime theme login sign up project is created, where I focus on both design and core functionality of the user authentication. Thank you for watching.